Urban era, and here is a model I'm really excited to show you. So I have been kitbashing this lovely, old, like decades old Mantua 060 into an Alta steam locomotive. And here is what I have done to the model. In this inset shot, you'll see how it originally looked, which was kind of an unpainted, tender mismatched locomotive. And I've since taken it and added a Bachmann tender, the nice little slope back tender to the rear end, added a little adorable oil tender oil bunker to it, a brand new cab from one of the Spectrum 260s. I've built a whole new superstructure on the back to hold the larger cab. I've also painted it in an homage to some of the Southern Pacific 060s with the lovely dark teal paint job and the black domes. I also plumbed it and wired it as well with a fresh new brass headlight casting, and the lights work, which is great. One of the most involved drilling jobs I've ever had to do through this solid cast metal boiler to get the wire all the way back to the tender. And so the tender itself also has a scale sound system speaker, which comprises the oil tender, and a Soundtrack's economy decoder in there, so it has sound and DCC. So it's an incredibly smooth runner. I also sent it off to one of my buddies, the Morrison Locomotive Works, to have it mechanically sorted. So now that it has a brand new can motor and is up to date with all the 21st century improvements you'd want. And you can do this with your little Mantua 060, of which you probably have laying around in a junk pile somewhere. It makes a wonderful upgrade. So this is what I've been working on recently.